Hi guys, I'm Chef Guntas Sethi, and given my association with the European Union, I'm so excited to be part of the Snack Hack series brought to you by More Than Food. Now you guys know how passionate I am about experimenting with various ingredients in the kitchen and bringing to you the most fuss-free yet the most amazingly delicious recipes. So well, here I am with Snack Hacks to share with you 3 super easy recipes made exclusively with the highest quality of European Union ingredients. Speaking of which, I have always been a fan of EU ingredients because they honestly offer so much. The EU farm to fork strategy is key. It ensures traceability and stringent quality checks at every stage. This way, only the highest quality ingredients from the farm reach the consumer's table. This ensures that the quality of EU F&B ingredients and products is never compromised with. Another reason why you should incorporate EU F&B products in your recipes like me is for the transparency of the labeling. There are 3 crucial labels that you need to look out for when buying EU products: PDO, PGI and organic. Now what do these stand for? More on that later, but for now, let's begin the prep for our first snack hack recipe. Ever since I was a child, I have loved snack time. It has always been a fun meal with my sister, preparing unique dishes like nuggets, mini burgers and my personal favorite, wraps. So for the first snack hack recipe that I'm preparing today, it is a lettuce chicken sausage wrap. And as you can see, I have some lettuce leaves and some chopped veggies to cook the chicken sausages. The unique thing about using poultry and other meat products from the EU is that it is produced under the safest conditions by the farmers. By safe conditions, I mean that at every stage of production, the EU performs strict food safety controls. This ensures that every meat is thoroughly checked to detect the presence of hormones, chemical residues, and microbial contamination. Once the meat produce checks all the boxes and overall hygiene checks are performed, only then they are labeled to maintain complete transparency. While our sausages are being cooked, let's start prepping the dressing. For the dressing, we will be using PGI balsamic vinegar from Italy and PDO extra virgin olive oil from Spain. And guess what? These are great examples of authentic European products. The Protected Geographical Indication or PGI establishes the relationship between the ingredients and its region of origin. And now we are all set to give the dish our finishing touch. Moving on to the second recipe, tomato and mushroom bruschetta has a very special place in my heart. Every time we cousins got together for family gatherings, our parents made this delicious treat which we kids often fought over. This recipe is perfect for your kids, especially when they're craving a snack and you want them to have their daily intake of vegetables too. For the tomato and mushroom bruschetta, I will be using EU tomatoes and mushrooms which are grown and harvested with stringent checks in place. What makes it truly special is the history, the unique geography and climatic conditions which are perfect for the vegetables and helps enhance the flavors of the dish. Now we all know that the EU has been a home to high quality produce since time immemorial. What makes these EU vegetables my go-to is that it has very low percentages of pesticides. In fact, EU regulations encourage safe and organic cultivation of the vegetables. With that, you can ensure that your child consumes more natural flavors that are good for them. This tomato and mushroom bruschetta made with EU tomatoes and mushrooms can be drizzled with extra virgin olive oil. The protected designation of origin or PDO is a great way to know that the olive oil is not only authentic but of high quality too. Now let me set the timer to 1 minute and here we go with snack hack recipe number 2. Now, imagine this. You come home after a really long, exhausting day at work and you need a pick-me-up. What do? You make a scrumptious, cheesy snack. Coming to the third and final recipe for the Snack Hacks episode, we have corn cheese balls on the menu made with EU Feta cheese from Greece and Gouda cheese slices from Denmark. In addition to being so yummy, EU cheese are authentic and of the finest quality. This means that when they're produced and processed, they undergo strict quality checks that comply with the EU regulation standards. What makes it even better is the culmination of the centuries of tradition with the current technology and innovation. Now, without making you guys wait any further, let's make the corn cheese balls. And that marks the end of this segment. I hope that you enjoyed watching the recipes as much as I enjoyed making them. Stay tuned for more snack hacks by More Than Food. Till then, it's me, Chef Guntas Sethi, signing off.